Hi and welcome to the Mathemagic channel. Today we look at this question, 4 to the power x equals 30. How do we do it? Let's go. Well, the first thing to think about is that 4 squared is equal to 16 and 4 cubed is equal to 64. So there must be a number that exists between 2 and 3 which is equal to x and which is going to give us the value 4 to the power x equal 30. So x is some kind of number between 2 and 3. We're not too sure what it is, but this is a good starting point. Another thing to think about is logarithmic laws. And when you have log of a to the power b, well, you're allowed to drop the b in front. In fact, this is how we solve power equations. We can say that this is b times the log of a, and that is the rule which we're going to use in this question. So considering the fact that I've seen a lot of very complicated solutions to this problem on the internet, but I think this is actually a pretty simple problem. What you should do and what your calculator can do nowadays is it can do log in base 4. So we're going to say that this is log in base 4 of 4 to the power x, and say that this is equal to log in base 4 of 30. Now this allows you to drop the x in front, so you can say x log in base 4 of 4 is log in base 4 of 30. And log in base 4 of 4, well, that's just 1. Because when you do logarithms, you're asking yourself, which power of 4 is the number that I'm looking at? And 4 is 4 to the power 1. So log in base 4 of 4, that cancels itself out very nicely. So this is x equal log in base 4 of 30. And so this is going to be a wonderful answer for our question. And just to make sure I get the actual decimal value of it, x is approximately equal to, and this is plugging it into a calculator, 2.4534. So as you finish the question, the exact value is log in base 4 of 30, but the decimal approximation is 2.4534, which is a value that you can find using a calculator. In any event, if you ever see a video that says that you can solve this question by hand, it is not possible. You will need a calculator at some point. You can do a lot of logarithmic simplifications and using all the log laws in the world. At some point, you're going to have to stick it into a calculator. The best approximation you'll find is about 2.4534 with a bunch of decimals. Anytime you see a power equation like this equation, it is always going to end with a calculator computation using logarithms. Thank you for watching this video today. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we shall see you next time on the Mathemagic channel. Bye-bye.